about to check out from Madison Campground. Just dropping off our paper.
Oh yeah, you can see like pink colors, different blue. Yeah, it's pretty. You can see like different layers cascading down.
Nope.
It looks so cold, but it's
Feels warm in here.
Grand Teton. We're at the entrance of Grand Teton National Park. So we're just gonna take a picture with the family. Teton, come on. Come on. Thank you.
You guys want a picture together?
one regular, one I took a portrait.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. आजा, हम लोग लोग बैठ
Okay, ready? 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2.
Thank you. Gabby, come on. Let's take a picture. It's a moose, what do you call it?
We're making some snacks. We just parked on the side of the road and the kids are hungry, so we're just gonna make something.
Okay, we're making a snack or maybe lunch. Fried spam. We're making some cup noodles overlooking this view. I mean, there's fire right now and that's why it's kind of hazy. But this is the Grand Teton. That's the glacial view. That's the glacier over there. So, just cook right here and this is the best experience. We get to cook on the outside and with that amazing view over there, looking at the glacier and the Tetons. Kids are just waiting for their food. What else? What else can you ask for? We've been driving for 5 days. This is our 5th day. We just finished Yellowstone and now we're here at Grand Teton. Yeah. So here we are. Just basking in the moment over here. Cooking for my family at the Grand Teton. We just finished lunch and we're leaving. Say goodbye to my friend over there, the Grand Teton. We'll see you when we see you.
You ready? I am. Let's go.
Turn right.
They have a car wash.
Rerouting. Liko sa kaliwa. Liko sa kaliwa. Liko sa kaliwa.
Nandun yung ano, di ba?
Yeah. Palabas ng freeway.
Masipag lang natin.
Rerouting. In half a mile. Turn right. Rerouting.
So, dapat diretso ko tapos kanan, no?
Turn right.
Alright guys, we're at Twin Falls area, southern Idaho visitor center. This is the bridge. That bridge over there is that bridge all the way there. So we're gonna go check out the Perrine Shoshone Falls view. So hold my hand. It looks like the Grand Canyon of Idaho, and this is the Snake River, I guess. The Snake River carved out this canyon just like the Colorado River carved out the Grand Canyon. But what's so prominent in here is that the canyon is a mix of black rock and brown rock. So black rock, it means it's more of a volcanic rock. Hey, slow down, lady. Come here. So this is the viewing deck, and that's the bridge over on that side.
Oh wait, I learned about this bridge.
What is that bridge?
I mean,
Mika, come closer with me.
I kind of forgot everything, but
That's the bridge. See how amazing that is? People are kayaking over there. And like I told you guys, the rocks over here is a mix of volcanic and So brown rocks, I don't know what they're called. Stop doing that, Gabby. You're making me nervous.
People bungee jumping today.
Yeah. And it's really scary. I'm afraid of heights, so I'm just gonna stay here on this side. And there's a golf course all the way down there. And my legs are literally shaking just looking at it. Mika, be careful, okay, baby? You ladies, stay with me. Okay, that's the Snake River, and this is the, I don't know what kind of gorge it is. Okay, so somebody jumped off that bridge. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. It's huge.
That looks so cool though.